Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Lapalat shifau tali gisnem kila talun nado baga sorkar kami kala bha kerpang ya ka jela Meghalaya bante ya ka State Zoo ya ka ba ka Central Zoo Committee ru kala manjur ya ka jimpen kre jong katnat Forest and Environment House nem Arajar San ya ka bala terwaru ban pelut hado life folklore jengka katnat Forest and Environment kala bodak ya ka jaka ha umtro Riphoy District bante ya ka jaka ban ri ban penne bat penkharoi ya ki merat klau kumjuru ya ki sim kido haga jaka bala kerkut Yaka master plan jongka Meghalaya State Zoo lapan kre daw director jongka State Zoo lembat ka kanhon ki Rio Champang naga Central Zoo Authority badu chief wildlife warden ka jela Meghalaya house nem Arajar Khatlai Arajar Khatsau lengba ka shiti ka bala tho ha ka arpsan terik unai lor Arajar Khatsau la pediang ya ka ne ka master plan da ka babu kendon ba ka State Zoo hi kan bakhle ban yo ya ka mangtengka na menta ban tei ya ka ne
The Central Zoo Authority has approved the master plan for the State Zoo of Meghalaya. The individual enclosures for each species of animals or birds, it's designed for each species will also have to be approved by the Central Zoo Authority. We are in the process of finalizing the enclosure for each species of animal. This is required because each species of animal or bird they require space for its movement, and therefore considering their habit, their nature, we have tried to replicate as much as possible the ideal habitat condition for each species of this animal. The concept of zoo management, where you simply display an animal or a bird as an exhibit. That concept has now given way to what is known as biological park or a management, rather than a simple exhibit where you display the animal to the visitors. So this zoo will have this in this zoo we will apply this principle whereby we will to the best of our ability to replicate their habitat on the principle of this biological park, that this zoo will come up on that line.
Menta Katanat Forest and Environment jong Sorkar Jala kalapan krep bantai ya kejakari bat set marat katkum kaplan bat kajing penuandur na benta gani gazu ha umtro ha kejaka ka bahek ma ekar siteng AA ondala dep ya kajing tei baro on sa penken ria kenya gimrat na Hydri Park lane ka Pannong Light Park syaga Zoological Park ha umtro kapan salong ka wei na kejakari marat klau ka bab kerpang bat ka wei na kibayar ha baro ka wei gari.
There are very few zoos of this kind in the country, like the zoological or the biological park which is run in Telangana, in the city of Hyderabad. So this is one shining example of how the zoo management has changed from a simple exhibit to a biologically managed park or a zoo, and this is what we intend to provide for the state of Meghalaya. The state zoo is located in a place called Umtru, which has an area of 70 hectare. Yeah, we have submitted the design of enclosures for eight species, out of which they have the design committee of the Central Zoo Authority has approved 2, and the rest 6 are under their active consideration.
tengah di debit stanon kontrol temental adon thai si snam tengah di numpet ni po forest state Meghalaya te ngladon mental jan lai bnai so bnai te kimral kibun hi te khamtam siar khamtam ki khyang ru te baki kui de
Simrat yu baduk kibun ban
te khambun ka siar te bat ki plat
plat ki tu kham he
ki kham he ngim cha da tum thod ding ru te khamtam bam pom ding yem te baki kui bri bon le je khlia kum tai nyu pho kum tai
nyu pho ru pho tar
idon sim chroa ting ap kling taki baki ki jat mat ki plat ki sang khmot
ki don siar khlau ru
ki siar ki khambun hem tos nam dan
siar khlau
siar khlau tu khnyang wat te kum tu kibun hi bri be khat te ki don hi we di ru ki don ki be bam ru แต่คำตำกิบายบามลูกคำบุญฮีกิคำบุญมาบามฮีแต่พี่กินเทลกิบุญฮีตั้งชิสงี้ไลเซียนโซฟิงตะวันพายชคลาว
mi bah kiti lor dia
kimi lor ding te rangkat hagi plang hamdan tu te khambun mentar khambun hajong ding hi
ulong gado ayu tu
long no hajing so junga te long fikum kana do jam sneh mo bang
dia pun kuat pia shat
ni syukho betang tu snap na jong te ni itu kunyang apo ni pun kuat nga sni tengi ki phon chwa de phon tu ni sput sni tengi sakem tu doแต่เด็กเข้มตัวpengen sasi biang sasianแต่sasi biang ai piat ai em tuแต่dalam tu hadin sistem kan tam ada lai permit thôi lah long
cuma ting permit tiet do syuru lai bang okey belum kan ke fencing mentah kila pendap lut kan ya kan jaka
kila pendap lut keleng tu kayak pelun ha kedang dia jaka jong kan ke ayu pelun
kila pendap la slam ngene fencing
la slam aklahi mentah hidan kita sang teman sudah mentah lo jen ta si slam sudah teman kan itu kalau alim kan
kemudian fikirman baka sarkar Meghalaya kan kuloi no ngene
bangal kelman mentai makan kenang makan terekam no kam kuloi terangkat niki kena sinong kamun yok kam lang kang ban yasup dalam giwe hi bo Shri udon hi
udan
Shri ro tang bam domi bahar pan
pipet tu ba bagi num peniap ki bri mandrung ne baka suloi ne baka jeri ai pipet bahai kata
ngasih kang hi baru tang ba long cái barang khang nga ki mesha ki kimuan la tong am tip pa bang per om dong ngate
kamu pendalap te pemsha
dalap te
mar ban peniap iki mana ni kelong pa sini mo
dan penya da long kom ta te ngi ru ngi nimsha hi ban ayu ru kila khang hi
kemudian piser ki cha si kila direct ban pet kuntai
kin chat kuntai te ban kham tam ban siat ik sim ru om sha ban riam ra rum sha te kham tam hi khang bakan soi kan roi ha ki lat i ro mình khen đây là xiên số phim cũng tai si wan là đến thời mình ta sản sinh si wan được
không nên benai kila wan
makin lewan benai hak ni benai sem thumai dengan long si wan mau sau xiên si wan
kia keleng keleng
kia keleng keleng